Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service with the Eastern Idaho planning briefing for Thursday, February 18th. Weather impact summary. This is my sixth one and my last one for a while. Every one's been about the same and no different today. We're going to have some widespread snow tonight into Friday with light accumulations in the valleys and some 3 to 6 inch amounts in the mountains. And then we're going to get a nearly identical system Friday night into Saturday with more widespread light snow amounts, maybe a bit less than the one tonight into Friday, but again, very similar. Actually, the eastern highlands make it a bit more with the Friday night into Saturday one. Generally clear skies with only some low clouds across the Snake River Plain. And then you see a very strong upper low off of the British Columbia coast, and you're starting to see some moisture ahead of that spread into the western Oregon, western Washington areas, and that's the moisture that's going to be pushing into our area tonight into Friday. And here's the weather impact overview. Again, some minimal to moderate impacts overnight tonight, mainly the southern hills and the Sawtooth region. And into Friday, some moderate impacts in the eastern highlands. That's going to be mainly tonight with that, or Friday night into Saturday with that second system, and some moderate impacts in the Sawtooth area as well. And again, that light snow continuing into Saturday. So again, every region is going to see some snow from overnight tonight through the day on Saturday. Looks like it's going to dry out Sunday and Monday. Still see light snow in the eastern highlands and Sawtooth area mainly, but only very light accumulations. High temperatures today, again, very cold, below normal for this time of year, 20s in the mountains, 20s to low 30s in the Snake River Plain to the Magic Valley. High temperatures Friday, a bit warmer. Once that system moves through, we may get a bit of warming on Friday as the snow tapers off. But again, right around seasonal normals for late February. And Saturday, with the next system going through, it's going to cool off again. A bit of a stronger cold front will move through with that system later in the day Friday. So again, near to slightly below normal. High temperatures in the 20s to lower 30s in the mountains and mountain valleys, and generally 30s in the Snake Plain and eastern Magic Valley. Here's the initial snow amounts overnight tonight as the system moves in. You can see in the Wood River Valley, Sawtooth area, 1 to 3 inches in the valleys, some amounts above 4 inches, 4 to 6 inches in the mountains in the Sawtooth region. And in the southern hills, you can see some 3 to 6 inch amounts in some of the mountains down there. And generally around an inch up the Snake River Plain, 1 to 3 inches in the eastern highlands. And Friday morning, continuing, most of the snow will be into the eastern highlands with an additional 1 to 3 inches, and generally less than an inch elsewhere. And then we get into the second system Friday night. Again, you can see some 1 to 3 inch amounts in the southern hills, eastern highlands, and the Sawtooth area. And as we get into Saturday morning, you can see most of the heavier accumulations in the eastern highlands with 1 to 3 inch amounts and 3 to 6 inch amounts in the Idaho Wasatch. So again, fairly widespread light snow. And the snow totals basically now through the day on Saturday, you can see generally 1 to 3 inches up the Snake River Plain, some 3 to 6 inch amounts in the Wood River Valley, Sawtooth, Stanley Basin, some 6 to 12 inch amounts total in the Sawtooth Mountains. And then in the eastern highlands, the 3-day total, you can see some 4 to 8 inch amounts and 12 to 18 inches over Teton Pass. So that's the 3-day total as we go through Saturday. We are expecting some warming as we get into early part of next week. You can see high temperatures well into the 40s in parts of the Snake River Plain, even close to 50 in the Burley area, and even some of the mountain valleys getting into the upper 30s and 40s, and from Haley to Stanley to Chalice. So we will have a brief warming period early next week before it cools off again. And here is a Another look at the 8 to 14 day outlook through March 3rd. And Idaho's back into the much better chances of below normal temperatures and near normal precipitation. Best chance of fairly normal for the extended 1 to 2 week outlook. Going over the weather impact summary again, widespread snow overnight tonight into Friday, with generally light accumulations in the valleys, 1/2 inch to 2 inches, with 3 to 6 inch amounts in some of the mountains, mainly the Sawtooth region and some of the southern hills. Then we're going to have a second system right behind that one Friday night into Saturday with, again, widespread light snow amounts, the heaviest in the eastern highlands, where you could see another 3 to 6 inches. That will conclude the briefing for today. If you have any questions, contact us at the number listed here 24 hours a day or visit our website. Thank you, and everyone have a good day today.